Milwaukee's 2602-20 hammer drill from the M18 Red Lithium Battery Series. Nice weight, weighing only 4.35 pounds. Length is 8.5 inches from one side to the other. From Milwaukee, they declare that the torque on this tool is 450 inches per pound. It has a 2-speed selector on the top. Speed number 1, 0 to 550. Speed number 2, 0 to 1700 RPMs. A ring mode selector on the top for the drill mode, screwdriver mode, and hammer drill mode. While in hammer drill, it delivers 29,000 blows per minute. Another ring selector on the top with 24 positions for the torque when using the screwdriver mode. Got a nice bright LED with an afterglow effect. Lasts about 10 seconds after I let go of the trigger. The tool itself feels very nice. Battery, easy, on and off. And it's got a gauge showing how much battery, how much power we have in the battery. Comes with a 5-year warranty by Milwaukee and 2-year warranty for the battery. Come see our power test. We'll check how long it takes the Milwaukee 2602-20 to drill 15 holes in this plank of 2x8. We will use a new 1.5-inch spade drill, and we will test the noise of the 15-hole power test now. Again. It's showing that again. Done. 6 seconds. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Altogether, I had to stop the drilling 3 or 4 times to get 15 holes. And the sound level was 100.6. Now we'll check how long it takes to charge battery from 0 to 100%. Time is running, and we'll get back to you after 12 and a half minutes. 2 red lights are on. Get back to you later. 20 minutes, 45 seconds. 4 lights are on. Soon it will be fully charged. That's it. It's fully charged. There's the green light. It took 34 minutes and 3 seconds to charge this battery fully from completely empty to fully charged. I'll now try using the drill in screwdriver mode. I'll put it on screwdriver, choose the lowest setting and use a small screw right here, right now, connecting. And I'm going to see where it hits resistance. Oh, it went all the way in, and only when I got all the way to the bottom it's the clutch engaged. Now it's engaging. I'll try a bigger screw. There it goes. The clutch isn't working. It's doing its job. Now I'll set it to a higher torque. I put it on 10. Let's keep on going. Went all the way. Drop it down to 1. See if it stops. Yep, not working. Bring it up to max torque, 24. Going in nicely. There's a slight wobble on the chuck. Very small wobble, but there is. I'll now time how long it takes to drill 6 holes in this Holland paver. That was 1 minute and 6 seconds, and the max noise level was close to 100 decibels.